And developing tonight, Omicron is here.
Health officials knew the variant was likely already spreading among us, but today came the official confirmation. The health department says the patient is a Chicago resident who is fully vaccinated and boosted, so the person has mild symptoms and is not hospitalized. The health department said the person had contact with another Omicron infected person who visited from another state. Tia Ewing joins us now with more on the patient and the concerns about this case. Tia.
Well, there's still some things that are unknown. We don't know if this is a male or female or even the person's age, but the health department is closely monitoring the Omicron patient's symptoms, but also doing contact tracing to make sure no one else has been infected by this Chicago resident.
And I absolutely expect that it will be detected in Chicago or Illinois, even in the next day or two.
It didn't take that long. Hours after Dr. Allison Arwady hosted a live Q&A on Facebook, we now have the first known COVID-19 case caused by the Omicron variant, identified in a Chicagoan. The Chicago resident is fully vaccinated, had their booster, and did not require hospitalization, but is improving and self-isolating since their symptoms started.
We are following multiple individuals who we know had exposures, whether they were traveling in the U.S. or even internationally.
There's a number of people, including some in Chicago, that the city's Department of Public Health is waiting on test results for.
To be honest, it's probably been here for a while in the United States, probably before we even started seeing it. So I'm not surprised it's in Chicago. We know Delta is still the prevalent variant across the country, but it is very likely that we're going to see more of this Omicron as we start doing more sequencing and more testing.
13 days ago, we first heard of Omicron, and since then, it has spread to more than 50 countries in 20 states here in the U.S. It's still unknown if it's more transmissible than other variants and if it's more severe than the Delta variant.
Are we going to need an Omicron booster? We might. We'll know in another 2 weeks.
Well, medical experts did say so far data shows vaccinated people with a booster shot have some protection against Omicron. Live in Studio 32 tonight, I'm Tia Ewing. Dawn.